How to view your transaction history in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check your past Starbucks purchases or receipts, well, in this video, I'll show you how you can view your transaction history inside the Starbucks app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, it'll be prompted to your account section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as transaction history. So simply tap on it. And now here, you will see a list of all your recent orders with date, time, and total amount. So here you can just tap on any entry to view the full receipt details. So here you can scroll through the list to find older transaction, and for now the app usually shows orders from the last few months, though the availability may vary from different regions. So here if you want to keep receipts for a record, just tap on it to open and take a screenshot or use the share feature if available. And that's it. That's how you can view your transaction history in the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.